Question 9. How much do you drink a day, and how much do you pee in the toilet? For example, that child, 9 a.m., 250 milliliters. She drinks a cup of hot chocolate, 10 a.m., 150, 500, 600, and 300. And out at the toilet are 200, 300, and 500. Obviously, we have to measure this somehow, you know. Yeah, so we usually pee in a little pot or something so that we can measure it. What do we have to do in order to see, is this person hydrated, or is there still a lot of like water, urine in a person? Sometimes, you know, we also have problems with that. So too much water in our body or too less is not good. And we have to check. Okay, let's see. We add all of the things together that are inside our body, minus the things that we have, you know, that are out. And then we are left with the result of plus or minus. Plus means the body has still water in the body. Minus means the body is dehydrated. So there is not enough water in it. Okay. So that means over that day, it meant that more water was going out than was going in. So also some other water that was already in the body was going out. Yeah. Okay, does that make sense? Yeah. Okay, so let's say in, out, 500 milliliter, 600 milliliter, 200 milliliter, 100 milliliter, 200 milliliter out, 300 milliliter out. Okay, so how much did go in? 500? 1,400 milliliters. And how much did go out? 500. So what is the total? 900 milliliter. Is that plus or minus? Minus. Yes. Plus. No, plus. It's still plus. It's still in the plus. Very good. Okay, so there you just have to add them all together. 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. You know, plus 5 is 14. Yeah. On the exam? Yeah, in the exam it will be a little bit more complicated. So it will. No. If we didn't put plus or minus, how? Yes, you have to do plus and minus. Yeah. So in the exam it will look like this: in, out, out, and it says 100, 200, 300, 100, 200. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So in is 400. Also in is 200. That, but now minus 100 and minus 200, and then we'll see 600, 500, 400. 400, yeah. Plus or minus?
Plus 300.
Plus.
Is it 400?
It's 300. 6, 7.
Yes. That's how.
Yes, it's 300.
300. That's how.
300 plus.
Yeah. Less.
Yeah.
But how is come minus?
Well, that input and output.
Minus could be, for example, in, out, 500, 300, 500, 500, 100, 200, 100. Okay. So let's count together. What's that?
500.
500 plus 400 minus
700.
700 minus
600.
600. How much is that?
900 plus. This one is
900.
900. Is 8. Then
200,
400,
400,
200.
minus 400.
Yes, very good. Minus 400.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
get it
that
now.
we need more
Yeah.
fluid.
Yeah.
So that means your patient needs desperately some fluid, yeah?
More fluid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because sometimes, our patients can't walk, so we need to give them some injections or something. All right. See you then.